Hi, thank you for joining this webinar. During this webinar, we're going to be discussing how we can detect the blocking of websites and apps around the world. Essentially, what we're referring to is cases where internet service providers intentionally prevent users from accessing specific websites and apps, usually because of specific government orders or because they need to do this in compliance with specific laws and regulations. Very often, this can involve the blocking of social media websites and social media apps, which is commonly referred to as a social media shutdown within the advocacy world. As part of this webinar, what's going to follow is that I'm going to explain how you can measure the blocking of websites and apps. In other words, how you can run specific software to detect their blocking. We'll then briefly discuss how you can coordinate such testing in your local community and how you can find relevant data that can potentially serve as evidence of blocking. In order to contextualize these cases, I'm also going to briefly discuss two case studies from Burundi and from Ethiopia. And towards the end of the seminar, I'm going to share with you some exercises that you can try out in order to practically get involved and practically learn how to participate in censorship measurement research.